Hello everyone and welcome to In This Tech. My name is Okwang and welcome to the SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to be designing this figure. We are going to be exploring a variety of commands like mirror, extrude, offset extrude, extrude cut, and a lot more. The dimensions for this drawing can be seen on this drawing sheet. These are all the dimensions. However, not all the dimensions are visible here, so it would be advisable for you to watch the video so you can see more of the dimensions and how they are applied. You can also take a screenshot so you can use for a reference while you are creating your own design. So without wasting too much time, we'll begin a new design. Selecting file, selecting new, clicking on part, and selecting OK. We'll begin this design on the top plane. Now I'm going to begin by drawing a rectangle. Click a center rectangle. Dimensions are 90 by 35. And I'm going to draw a circle somewhere here and another up to here. Let's move it a little outward. Sorry, I wasn't done. So I'm going to dimension this as 15. I'm going to draw another circle. I'll draw another circle here and here. The dimensions are 45 by 25. I'm going to draw some rectangles. A corner rectangle. I'm going to start it from here like so. Then I'll do another rectangle. A center rectangle this time. I'm going to start from here and open it, and then this one like this as well. Let me start it from here. Okay, something like this. And the dimension for this circle is 5 mm. Okay, now I'm going to make use the trim entities feature to do some trims. Trim all the way up to here. Remove this. Remove this as well. I'm going to remove this. Now use the trim to closest. First, to take out this one and this one, remove this. Take out these. I'm also going to switch the power trim. Take these out. Then I'm going to zoom in. Trim to remove this one. Okay, let me zoom in here so I can see. Remove this and this. This one too. Same goes for these. Switch to power trim. Okay, now I'm going to make some extrudes. But before that, I think I've made an error with the trimming. So rather than erase everything I've done, I'm going to simply do this. I'm going to make an extrude. I'm going to extrude this, and this one from the mid plane by 10. Then I'm going to extrude this by 20 across the mid plane. Then I'm going to make this the reference sketch again. Extrude this one by 40. I'm going to click on direction 2 and extrude it by 10. And there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to make this reference sketch again. Click on extrude, select this up to 40, make a sketch on this face, select the line command and draw a line down to here. I'm also going to do this, go to features, click on extrude cut, and cut this. I'm going to hide this sketch because I Nice. I'm going to open a sketch. I'll open a sketch on the front plane. And there I'm going to draw a circle. 2 circles. Dimensions are supposed to be 13 by 16. I'm going to use the corner rectangle command. So draw a rectangle up to here. Now the dimensions for this are should be 125. I make the dimension to be 130. Let me just verify that this is in the middle. Okay, yes, 75. I'm going to use trim entities to trim this out. Okay. Having done this, now I'm going to bring an extrude. Select extrude. The distance will be 10 and to be from the surface to be from this surface. Now I'm going to select the sketch contours. This and this. Okay, very good. Let me edit the sketch a little. I love this one. Bring it inside a bit. You can see that it doesn't come out anymore. I won't do the same for the other side. Different sketch, extrude, from surface, select this surface, and for the selected contours to be the same ones that we used before. I'm going to reverse the direction and voila, our sketch is almost ready. No, our sketch is ready. So all I have to do is add the appearances. Let's make it this on the whole body. So thank you for watching the video. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can get updates about more videos. Thank you very much.